So Elon Musk's DOGE cut the IRS from 100,000 employees to 74,000. Gee, what could possibly go wrong? And the man who ran that agency says the bill still hasn't come due yet. Wasn't really a plan. Here's what you need to know. In April, we covered the alleged victory lap, $2 billion cut from the technology budget, quote, without any operational disruptions, end quote. Now we're hearing the other side. Douglas O'Connell, 39 years inside, ran it twice, asked what DOGE was after, quote, it's hard to know exactly what the objective of DOGE was, end quote, because there's, quote, really no strategic document that's out there, quote. 39 years in the building, if there were a plan, he would know where it was filed. And this year's filing season has appeared to look fine, according to reporting, but that's his point. The damage runs on a delay. Cut people before technology replacement exists, you have problems. Meanwhile, the budget slides from $12.2 billion to $11.2 with $9.8 proposed next. What are they doing? Feds, you've watched your own agency run this plays. Cuts, a success announcement, people left carrying the difference. Please send this to the coworker carrying it. If you're at IRS, what broke first? How are things going there? Let us know. We track what agencies tell Congress against what they actually do. Please follow here so you hear it here first. I'm Sean Southworth of Southworth PC. We represent federal employees nationwide and worldwide, wherever you are. Thank you, everybody, for support. Please take care and have a great day.